Here's where you can go to change whether your screen recorder records just the media, your voice, or both. And on top of that, be able to choose the video quality as to the 720 or the 1080p type of screen recording. This is the Galaxy A55, and of course, this is going to be useful for those of us who enjoy using our screen recording, which I do myself. The fastest way to these settings is by using the quick panel access and looking for the screen recorder toggle here. You're going to long press it. That's going to take you to this section here, and then you'll go down to where the screen recordings is. Usually as you're about to screen record, you will see the option to choose what the media would be, whether it's nothing, the sound from the phone itself, or both the sound and the mic that you're speaking into. The video quality here is this. You got high 720 and the 480. So that's going to be your resolution settings for when you screen record anything on your phone if you're able to screen record. Now, if you just so happen to not see any of these, you don't see the toggle for the screen recorder here, you can use the edit option here and go to edit and look for the toggle in here, then bring it up in there if it's not there, okay? The other way around is if you go here, you can simply type in the search bar, screen recorder. And as you start to type it there, you'll see screenshots and screen recordings. Okay, this one right here. And that'll take you to where you need to go next. So just go down until you see screen recordings. And that's that. Like and sub.